I thought I would start with just a beautiful quote from Coretta Scott King, who said, "The greatness of a community is most accurately measured by the compassionate actions of its members." And by Mrs. King's measure, I would say today is a very proud day for Montefiore Einstein and its commitment to compassionate care. I'm very, very proud of the many ways that all of our colleagues, our community partners, came together to build strong relationships and truly focus on delivering compassionate care, enhancing access, and creating convenience for those people that need it the most. This is an entirely different model. This model really links our patients, providers, the care, and all of the medications that those patients need, all in one-stop shopping. So our patients are going to be able to fill their specialty prescriptions here. They will also be able to fill their regular prescriptions. Patients have the option. They can come right to this building, pick up their prescriptions, or we will happily, efficiently ship the prescriptions directly to their home. Patients and providers will have access to a pharmacist or a team member in pharmacy 24/7. Phone access to call if they have a question about their prescription, they want to refill their prescription, or they just need some tips on how to maintain compliance with the medication regimen. The same team that's taking care of these patients, the pharmacists are part of that care delivery team. And lastly, because of the expertise of the team that works here, this team is focused on looking for every single opportunity to provide financial assistance to patients. And so patients on average that use this specialty pharmacy will actually have lower copays. This day would not have been possible without so many outstanding leaders who were in this room who gave their time, their talent, and their commitment to make this dream a reality. And I am very, very delighted to introduce to you the President and CEO of Montefiore Medicine, Dr. Philip Ozuah.
Thank you all for being here. You know, we talk about our Montefiore Einstein 2030 vision, and it calls for us to extend our brand into the future, invest in our medical school, partner with government, double down on our long-standing history of commitment to the Bronx, but also to be number one in Westchester and the Hudson Valley, states that affirmatively. Last week, I was sharing with the group that was there that we're already the largest healthcare provider in Westchester County. We have the only 5-star rated hospital in Westchester County. And we're the only health system that is growing double-digit patient volume in Westchester County. So when we build and open a facility like this, it's not just simply another building or opening. It is a mark of our investment in serving the evolving needs of the community that seeks us out. So this, you heard Susan talk about the amazing things that are going to happen because of this facility, right? Enhanced patient interactions with our system, higher level of service with lower copays. That's what we should be aiming for. Access to a live person 24 hours a day. That's what every patient ought to have. And the physician experience will also be better, the prescriber experience, where you don't have to spend inordinate amounts of time seeking approvals and prior authorization and all that. So as with everything we do, this is about delivering on the promise of exceptional continuity of care. And our aim is that in this facility, as with all of our other facilities, that empathy meets expertise and cutting-edge technology converges with compassion, all aimed at the advancement of human health. And so I want to thank also all the people who work so hard to make this happen and make this possible, starting with our Assistant Senior Vice President for Operations, Ms. Susan Gerry. I've got Steve Tuckman. And so many others, and I really who worked on this. And thank you for being here. I'd like to just do a little recruitment, if you don't mind, for me. I made two new friends as I walked in, and trying to, and maybe they may end up as future Montefiore colleagues. There's Goldie and Helen Tuckman. It's good to meet you both. I'm a fan of your fathers. Nice to see you. So it gives me great pleasure and great pride to welcome all of you to join me in experiencing the future of healthcare right here at Montefiore Einstein. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ozuah. We are very, very delighted to have the Deputy Mayor, Susan Gerry, representing the city of Yonkers. And I will tell you that the city of Yonkers has been an extraordinary partner to Montefiore, great friends. So welcome, Sue, and I invite you to say a few words.
Thank you, Susan, and thank you, Dr. Ozuah, for having us here today. I also wanted to acknowledge in the room we have two representatives from the Council President Bellamy's office, and City Councilman Anthony Moranti was here a little bit earlier. On behalf of Mayor Mike Spano and the whole city of Yonkers, I want to thank Montefiore Einstein for the continued investments that they're making in the city of Yonkers. We're so proud to have you here. We consider you an anchor in our community, and as these investments continue, we're so happy to have them here in our community, serving our community members as well as the region as a whole. This is a major step in medical care for our community. That's how we see it. This is Montefiore's second specialty pharmacy location, but the first in Westchester, and we're so proud that it's here in Yonkers. Access is critically important, as we all know, and to be in the city, the largest city in Westchester, here in Yonkers is very important to us. It's where our population center is, and we are very proud to have you here. We invite surrounding communities to also learn about and come to Montefiore Einstein for the specialty pharmacy. I understand it will be a facility that's available to the Montefiore patient population initially, but then to the entire community, which will be a wonderful resource, again, for access to a continuum of care. We understand 100,000 prescriptions will be filled in the next year, and that is a big workload, and we're proud of you, and we look forward to your great success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now it's my pleasure to welcome a friend and colleague, someone who has devoted 25 years to servicing Montefiore and ensuring that our patients have the very best. Stephen Tuckman joined Montefiore in 1999 as a pharmacist and quickly rose through the ranks, becoming a manager directing our outpatient and community pharmacies. And today, Stephen is the director of the community and specialty pharmacy operations. I will tell you that Stephen is the engine behind this. His insight, his tenacity, his drive, his stick-to-itiveness has made this vision a reality. And we are all indebted to Stephen for his leadership. And I, too, met Stephen's 2 daughters, and they have so much to be proud of. And we are very proud to call Stephen a friend. So, Stephen, few words.
Thank you, Dr. Ozuah. Thank you, Susan. Good afternoon, everybody. Beverly Michael, David Menashe, Margaret Millar, Frank Lesnowski, Philip Manning, and I were tasked with starting a specialty pharmacy program. The goal was to enhance the care we're already providing our community by accelerating access to life-altering medications. In creating such a program, we partnered with Shields Health Solutions, represented today by Michael Ham and his management team. Because of the pandemic, we moved forward with a Plan B and began operating the specialty pharmacy program out of the community pharmacy at Moses. From the inception of the program, we were able to fill almost 900,000 specialty and non-specialty prescriptions, complete more than 45,000 prior authorizations, and secure $95 million in financial assistance for patient prescriptions by identifying programs available from outside organizations. Demolition on this location started in the beginning of April 2023, and now, only 10 months later, we have this amazing 17,000 square foot facility, a feat that can only have been accomplished by Tina and Tommy and their team from design and construction. The benefits of this facility will be felt by our patients and providers alike, and we expect the number of specialty prescriptions across Montefiore's pharmacies to double by the end of 2026, allowing us to best serve our communities in the Bronx, Westchester, and beyond. We couldn't be prouder. Thank you, everyone who made this possible. I especially want to thank my 2 wonderful daughters who are here, who suffered as they tried and failed to manage this process in a cool, calm, and collected manner. Thank you.